This video will cover the double under str method in Python. The str method is called a dunder, or magic method. We optionally put it in a class to give an object a string representation. This is useful when we want to print our object out. We're talking about objects, so let's give ourselves a class. Let's say we have a card class to represent a playing card. So, class card. We will define an init method, def double under init double under self rank suit, where rank is ace through king and suit is like club or spade. Inside we'll do the normal line to initialize new object. Now if we stopped right here and did card equals card 5 of clubs, then printed card, and ran the code, you'd get a printout that means nothing to most average humans. This is where the double under str method comes into play. If you don't define a double under str method in your class, then this is the default behavior Python uses to print out your object. Let's go back and define an str method. Def double under str self. Inside we must return a string value that represents our object. For simplicity, I'll use an f string. So, return f double quote curly braces self dot rank space curly braces self dot suit. Meaning, card in our example would be 5 space clubs. Let's run the code now and make sure we're right. When you run the code, you will indeed see we're right, as the printout is now the 5 clubs. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.